Teacher tested, student approved. TI-30XIIS Scientific Calculator 10-pack in action. Ever felt like your tools are working against you? Maybe you've handed out calculators only to find some students struggling while others fumble through incompatible devices. Drop an idea if this sounds familiar. You're not alone. Many educators wrestle with inconsistency and frustration in the classroom. But what if there were a solution that makes uniformity effortless and learning smoother? Deadlines loom, exams approach, and students panic when their calculators fail them mid-problem. The stress, the juggling, the confusion, it's real. Imagine if there was a way to take control without adding more chaos to your teaching load. A simple, reliable tool that levels the playing field for every student while letting you focus on instruction instead of troubleshooting. Enter the Texas Instruments TI-30XIIS Scientific Calculator Teacher Kit, a 10-pack that transforms how classrooms approach math and science. Each calculator boasts a 2-line, scrollable display so students can see both what they type and the results instantly, reducing errors and boosting confidence. Solar-powered with battery backup, these calculators survive exams, labs, and even a dropped backpack or two. With functions covering fractions, trigonometry, statistics, probability, powers, logarithms, and more, they handle everything from algebra to AP science problems. Picture a busy teacher equipping an entire class in minutes. No mismatched devices, no panic. One pro shared how their lab session ran smoothly for the first time in months because all students used the same model. Bonus tip: the included digital guide makes teaching tricky functions a breeze. Whether it's a chaotic exam day or a challenging lesson, this kit ensures everyone stays on track. The benefits don't stop at consistency. With the TI-30XIIS Teacher Kit, efficiency skyrockets, focus improves, and classroom performance transforms. Experts praise its intuitive layout. The 2-line display is a critical pedagogical tool, one analyst noted, highlighting how students instantly grasp input-output relationships. Educators rave. I can outfit a full lab station and never worry about durability or dead batteries. Influencers and parents echo the sentiment. Solar power plus robust keys means these calculators endure years of heavy use, surviving bumps, drops, and overzealous students. Students themselves notice the difference. Learning fractions, statistics, and trigonometry becomes less intimidating and far more interactive. Imagine your classroom humming with confidence, students double-checking calculations with ease, and every exam session running smoothly. Curious which feature would save your day most? Comment below, fractions, statistics, or trigonometry, and see what others think. Thousands of classrooms already swear by this kit, blending durability, functionality, and cost-effectiveness in one neat package. Limited stock. Join thousands of teachers and schools who've already leveled up with the TI-30XIIS Teacher Kit. Don't wait. Secure your 10-pack today and watch classroom frustration vanish. Each set includes calculators, a storage box, and a digital guide, giving you everything you need for a smooth lesson. Click now to unlock the secret tip that ensures students learn faster, make fewer mistakes, and stay engaged. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your teaching workflow today.